Okay guys, how's it going? It's been a while. Well, it feels like it, you know. This is part 2 of engine maintenance on my EBR. Right, this is I've repinched this engine right here. Brand new plug in it. Got the tune right, I think, on it. Like it should be right. Like obviously it's not going to be 100% because the engine's already running like it. So just like watch, see the difference now. Right, start it up. It'll warm up now. Right, something's happened to a pull start. I haven't tried to restart it. I just pulled the cord like that and it's done that. I can coil it back in with the engine. Something's happened there. Okay, I think the one-way bearing might have just blown up on me or something. It's happened before with this engine because of the oomph in it, like power in it. Yeah. There you have it. That's an engine repinched. So for those that, you know, say, oh no, it can't be done, you know what I mean, you don't know what you're talking about, blah blah blah, there's your evidence right there. Part 2, engine pinched, sorted. Obviously I still need to tune the fine tune the carb. Like I actually need to do this on a low speed needle, which on this Thunder Tiger engine, just turn it 5 minutes. Should be enough. On the Thunder Tiger engine, with this carburetor, so it's a 2 needle carb. You've got your low speed needle there and you've got your high speed needle there. That's all it is, that's all you've got to regulate the flow going into the carb. That's where the low speed needle should be. Well, most others are like, but this one isn't. I think it's a more efficient carb, this. It's much better, I think. Damn it, man. Now I've just got to find out what's happened to that one-way bearing. Like, what's happened in there? So that the spring snapped or something weird's happened in there. Like, had it before buying these fucking one-way bearings off eBay, like, in breaking on me. Yeah. There we go. And that was with the rotor start. Did have a rotor start on this, but sort of, fuck it, I'll put the pull start back on. More efficient, like. There you go. Thanks for watching, guys. Peace out. And for those who says it can't be done, right, yeah. Right. It can be done. There's no such word as can't be done. It's just a matter of learning the process on how to do something. Amen to that. Goodbye.